Hello and welcome to another update video about Brett. Brett has broken out above the trend line that I mentioned in yesterday's video. By the way, if you're interested in, sometimes additional updates, also check out our X channel, X profile, Twitter. So I did provide Brett updates here recently as well. You'll find a link in the description, for additional updates, and you might actually hear the dog in the background walk the stairs. So let's go back to the Brett chart. Is it confirmed that we are breaking out? Is the low already in? I would naturally be skeptical about that, but that's exactly why I always say it is best to trade the levels, not the wave count. It's absolutely possible that the price has bottomed there in the wave 4 because we have a nice reaction to the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement at 12.6 cents, which is a common target for such a fourth wave. However, the ideal target is the 38.2 retracement, but all of this is actually for a fourth wave. And this pullback is and has been a fourth wave, right? That's the idea. Now, with fourth waves, you get lots of fake breakouts and all sorts of stuff. So the best confirmation that we've really bottomed is to watch for a 5-wave move to the upside. At the moment, as you can see here, I've highlighted what I need to see for a 5-wave pattern. I need to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves which reach the 1.618 extension level of the initial 1-2 setup, and that's a 17.8 cent level or higher. Okay. What I normally want to see is that the third wave reaches the 138% extension, that's 16.9 cents, not reached yet. So I wouldn't call this a viable third wave. But if we get there, then I can provide support for a fourth wave, and then we can still watch for a fifth wave. But from here, I wouldn't call that a viable third wave. The bare minimum has been reached for a third wave, but that's not a reliable third wave. One more high would be ideal, pushing to 16.9 cents for an initial indication that we've really bottomed there. Well, okay, you could say initial indication was the break of the trend line, right? Like we talked in yesterday's video about. Okay, so yesterday I think we were around, down here around 13.5 cents. Gave you that trend line for an initial breakout signal. Now we've done that, even a retest, but now the bulls need to push a little bit more. Then maybe another pullback and another retest of the trend line. That could be wave 4. There wouldn't be a problem if wave 1 and 4 overlap. That can happen in a diagonal pattern. Important is that we get 5 waves to 17.8 cents or higher. But the 17.8 cent level, as you can see here, is also structural resistance. It's the previous swing high that formed on the 12th of June. And then above that, we've got this swing high, which formed at around 19.7 cents. The next breakout point, you could say. So ultimately, what do I want to see? 5 waves up. Until I get these, the lower support area is highly relevant. If I get 5 waves, I can give you the next support area. Until then, this one remains relevant, between 12.6 cents and 7.6. Even though I don't want the price to get to 7.6 cents, that would be really deep for a fourth wave in this context. But if we get 5 waves up, okay, I give you the next support area. It will be for a higher low to form. 3 waves down would then follow, and then we can watch for a breakout. And this is all we need to watch for, the 5 waves, okay? And it can always fail, it can always fail after 3 waves. And therefore it is so important to understand, as soon as a top has formed there in wave 3, what's support for the wave 4. I can add that once we've topped in wave 3. Actually, I could add that now, so you have a level to watch. However, bear in mind, this will need to be adjusted if the price forms one more high. And this would be the support region, yeah. It might be that we're forming here diagonal, so I will include the 61.8 retracement. 13.9 cents. 13.9 cents needs to hold, whatever it's doing now. Ideally, it doesn't even break below 14.3 because that's the 50% retracement of the smaller degree third wave here. But bear in mind, if it pushes higher, we have to adjust support, yeah. Third wave hasn't topped yet. That's my update about Brett. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.